Hello, in this video I want to show you how to control a recoil with AKM in the finals. And to do this, here I am at a practice range, so we're gonna shoot the AKM in a wall without controlling any recoil, just to show you the pattern. And it looks like this, so what we need to do is pull our mouse to the right for the first, I don't know, like 1 second, and then pull our mouse to the left at the last like 10 rounds or probably 16. And just practice that and it should work like this. And that's it for this video, hope you like it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.